Man, right away the Bluebird Trail takes you right up the hill. That's where we were down there. Yeah, it starts to just climb you right up the hill. Here we go. It's a little bit of a lake burner, but we came up in there, and then the trail goes that way, but it also has these little loops on it. So this just goes out and around and then back to the trail. But I think the loops are probably a little more interesting, so I think I'm gonna go that way. Pretty meadow area here. Cool flowers. Bluebird Trail. We have monarchs, haven't seen any bluebirds, but just a very, very cool. We're walking through, the trees go from pines to some aspens, back into open meadows, bugs, and then back to the trees. We came out that loop, and then we'll go that way. Whew, sweaty. There's a fungi up in that tree. Another fork in the road. We'll go down this way, and it'll loop back around to the trail. But yeah, super cool. Never hiked this area Backbone before. Take the woodpeckers and had their way with that tree. That's where we came from. That's where we're going. Okay, just came to a little spot on the trail as I was hiking, and just kind of all of a sudden it was just a little cool breeze and just nice and cool right here. And it's not super hot today, but it's kind of humid. Yep, out in the sticks. A few blowdowns on the trail. Not too bad, but I have to negotiate across it. Damn it. I made it. Actual bluebird houses. We don't know. There is a birdhouse. And then we come back out to the intersection. That loop was a long one. I'm assuming we went in down there somewhere. Clear back around. That was fun, but wow, look at this open field here. I'd say if you get a chance and you're up a Backbone, don't be afraid to hike the Bluebird Trail on the east side of the park. You are here. So we actually started over here today, and we've hiked all along here on the East Lake Trail. Went to there, and we hiked up to the Bluebird Trail, and then I did these loops here, and now we're right here. So I'll continue to walk this, and I'll have to walk. Come out, and then we'll have to walk down the road back to the progress. So the last little bit of the Bluebird Trail kind of followed along the road here. Not much to see. Yeah, this is where the trail kind of properly ends or begins. So now we have to walk back in and down the road. Oh, maybe a quarter mile, not very far.